So we are talking about the what different methods we can use in this. So first one is the Luchas test, in which what exactly the person, the therapist used to do. They provide 3 cards to the patient or client, and few color cards to them, and ask to collect 3 cards. These cards will be for the emotional, mental or physical health. So color diagnostic charts are there. Some therapies used to use this as a more complex method, which is based on the 32 vertebrates, okay, vertebras of your spine actually. So according to this method, the spine is divided into 4 sections, each containing your 8 vertebra relating to one of the other color of the spectrum. Okay, what exactly other color diagnostic charts are there, in which it's very complex one actually. What they used to do, it is based on your 32 vertebrae, and your this spine is divided into 4 sections. Each section contains 8 vertebrae. Okay, then from the top of the spine to downwards, we will go first 8 vertebrae represent your mental health. Okay, the second one for your emotional, and the last one is for your physical health. It's looks similar like your Luchas test, but in here they are dividing your vertebra in a certain columns from top to the bottom, and the therapist will ask you to sign your name on the back of the chart of the spine. Okay, the theory is that your signature contains your vibration, an act of witness. Okay, that is you show your energy level. The therapist show the awareness and the spine to see which vertebra needs attention. So your vertebra column is there. Your vertebra column is divided, and these there are 4 sections. First one is for your the mental health. Second one is for your emotional. Next 8 is for the physical and the your metabolism, and the last one is your physical health. Okay, and if I'm a therapist, I will ask you to put the signature on each of the on the your this chart, and according to that the therapist will know that where you want to get attention, which vibrations or which energy system need to get attention. Okay, next, color therapy techniques we will see. So there color therapy treatments can be applied to a body in a number of ways in treatment diseases. So color gazing at a blue lights will be known to lower blood pressure by calming the autonomic nervous system, while red light increases your blood pressure. Okay, so proper use of color helps to heal alignments. So what are the alignments are imbalanced, we will go for the treatment on them. Then color glass panels are used. These color light bulbs are used to heal, and patient are bathed in the light that gets filtered and in. Okay, people will make good and themselves wearing a colors of positive impact on their moods. And so sun rays are made to pass through a colored glass bottle containing water for 6 to 8 hours. The energized water has regenerate the body after consumptions. What exactly you can do in your house too. Okay, take a bottle of water, bottle with water, and put it on the in the sun where the sun rays are easily entering. Okay, once for 6 to 8 hours. You can put it in the morning by 6 o'clock, and in the afternoon you can take it back to your room in your house, and you use that water for drinking purpose. This will rejuvenate your body after consumption. Okay, next we will go for the color visualization. So these therapy help us to direct your colors to the body, color energy to your body, and colors can be visualized instead of sense of well-being. Visualize bath colors in a wish and allow to positive impact on the body. Okay, color breathings are there. So when you are lying down in sitting position, the color breathing involves visualizing an inhalation of a specific color. Okay, according to the benefit of the sort, what of the specific color that they you have to visualize that, and you have to inhale and breathe and exhale out that specific color by visualizing that color. Next one is your color meditation. So meditation relax your body and quietnesses the mind. Okay, this is very common, and we all know that it affects our minds, and calmness is created by the meditation. So when we are talking about the color therapy, this color has drawn to meditate on this specific color and practice on the meditations. New experience, spirit healing process, and feel freshness is there. So some gems and crystals are used also, placed in a clear bottle and with water and exposed to the sun, and then the water is properties of not only to crystal but the crystal of the colors too. So color therapy can also be included in your diet therapy. For an advice, consume fruit and vegetable that are lack in their system. For example, someone is affected with anemia. That time what we will advise them, we will give him or her a red color food. Okay, for example, tomatoes, pumpkins, beetroots, beets. Okay, so these will increase the blood hemoglobin level of the client. When the clothes of a particular can be worn, increases the vibration of our daily lives too. As you can see that using of color to promote healing can be a very simple to use, and this have extremely powerful effect on our day-to-day life. And it is important that you not overdose yourself with color. Okay, it's healing benefits. You used to have it's a healing benefits. Okay, next is the topic light therapy, but with that I'm going to stop here about up to the color therapy only. Okay, so I think you might all have been gone through the what the color therapy has effect on our body, how this has changes our mood, how this color therapy can be used. You can use in your practical life and it makes you easy and convenient. Okay, thank you students. Namaskar.